Hey guys, Daniel here of Pinoy Techno Guide, and this is the Samsung Galaxy A20. Let's go ahead and unbox this. Oops. Okay, so we have here the usual inner box, and let's see what's inside this. Okay, we have the quick start guide, and then we have the smartphone itself. And here you have the phone. Two cameras here. Okay, let's set this aside first, and then let's check the other contents of the box. We have the charger. It has an output of maximum output is 9 volts and 1.67 amperes, so that's around 15 watts of charging speed. Then we have a USB Type-C cable, so this phone uses USB Type-C already. Then we have this, we have the earphones, so free earphones inside the package. And lastly, we have the SIM ejector tool. So no other freebies inside the box. There's no free case, but you have free earphones. Now let's check the smartphone itself. This one at the bottom is 13 megapixels, while this one at the top is 5 megapixels, but is an ultra wide camera. And then you have the LED flash, fingerprint sensor, the Samsung logo. You also have some markings here at the bottom there. Over here on the right side, you have the power button and the volume buttons, while on the other side you have the SIM card tray. Let's check the number of slots. Okay, so we have a triple card slot. You have SIM 1, SIM 2, and then a slot for the micro SD card. So it can accommodate up to 512 gigabytes of additional storage using a micro SD card. And then we only have a microphone here at the top, while at the bottom we have a 3.5mm audio jack, the USB Type-C port, another microphone, the main microphone actually, and then the loudspeaker. And then here at the front, of course, we have the main attraction of this smartphone, the 6.4-inch HD Plus Super AMOLED display. So as you can see, it's very bright. If we compare that with say an Oppo F11 Pro, you can see the difference in brightness. This is running on Android 9 Pie with Samsung's One UI software. Storage is out of the box. The storage is 10.2 gigabytes is used, with 21.8 gigabytes of free storage or available space out of 32 gigabytes. Some of the pre-installed apps are, of course, Samsung apps. We have Google apps, and then third-party apps are Netflix, Facebook, Spotify. That's it. Oh, we also have some of Microsoft. Now let's check the camera quality. So we have this subject here, then just snap. Let's just snap a picture, that, and check the quality. Oops, allow. Okay, so as you can see, the picture is sharp and the colors look good. But let's compare the normal picture versus the ultra wide angle. So here you have the ultra wide angle camera in action, and let's take a picture. Now, as you can see, it can capture a wider portion of the scene, but there are some distortion in the corners, and it's also uh, less bright compared to the regular camera. It's not quite as good as the rear cameras, but it's alright. So far the performance is okay. Let's open Netflix, and it's fast. Open Spotify. Uh, yeah. So far performance is okay, but I'll have to test its long-term performance when there's already several apps installed. Let me know what you guys think about the Samsung Galaxy A20 in the comments, and you can also write your questions and suggestions for the full review. As usual, I will test Mobile Legends, PUBG Mobile, and NBA 2K19 here for the gaming review soon. So watch out for that, and click the bell icon so that you'll be notified when that video will be uploaded. See you guys in the next video.